types of motion. There are number of types of motion: circular motion, rotation motion, oscillatory motion, projection motion, and random motion. First of all, we can take the circular motion. What is meant by circular motion? Consider this particle moves along the circumference of the circle. एखादा पार्टिकलचा सर्कम्फरन्स जसा आहे त्याप्रमाणे जर फिरत असेल तर अशा प्रकारच्या मोशनला म्हणतात सर्क्युलर मोशन. दुसऱ्या शब्दात सर्क्युलर मोशन म्हणजे एक बॉडी दुसऱ्याच्या भोवती फिरत असेल तर अशा प्रकारच्या मोशनला सर्क्युलर मोशन म्हणतात. एक बॉडी आहे आणि दुसरी बॉडी आहे, एक बॉडी दुसऱ्याच्या भोवती जर अशा प्रकारे फिरत असेल तर अशा प्रकारच्या मोशनला म्हणतात सर्क्युलर मोशन. So there are number of examples of circular motion. Earth performs circular motion round the sun. Suppose this is the earth and this is the sun. Earth performs circular motion round the sun. In an atom, there is a nucleus at the center and this is the orbit. And consider this is the electron. Electron, this is the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन परफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन राउंड द न्यूक्लियस. एक बॉडी दुसऱ्याच्या भोवती जर फिरत असेल अशा प्रकारे तर अशा प्रकारच्या मोशनला सर्क्युलर मोशन म्हणतात. सपोज दिस इज द क्लॉक, दिस इज द सेकंड हँड. द टिप ऑफ सेकंड हँड also perform the circular motion about the center of the clock. So these are about the circular motion. Second is the rotational motion. Consider the body. This is the axis. स्वतःच्या ऍक्सिसच्या भोवती जर बॉडी फिरत असेल तर त्याला म्हणतात रोटेशनल मोशन. भोवराचं जे मोशन आहे ते रोटेशनल मोशन आहे. Earth also perform the rotational motion. In simple word, बॉडी जर दुसऱ्याच्या भोवती फिरत असेल तर सर्क्युलर मोशन आणि स्वतः भोवती फिरत असेल तर रोटेशन मोशन. So this is the main difference between the circular motion and rotational motion. What is main difference in circular motion? Suppose this is the body performs circular motion, it must be revolved around the another body. And if this body performs a rotational motion, it rotates about its own axis. Earth performs simultaneously two types of motion: circular motion and rotational motion. Suppose this is the earth and this is the sun. The earth performs simultaneously circular motion and rotational motion. So now we can discuss about the oscillatory motion. Best example of oscillatory motion is the simple pendulum. Consider the pendulum is at rest. If some impulsive force applied on this pendulum, then it moves to the right and to the left. And this type of motion is called oscillatory motion. Another example of oscillatory motion is that this is the support, a rigid support. And one end of the spring is attached to the rigid support. This end of spring attached to the rigid support, and wooden block is attached to the tree of the spring. This block is at rest. There is no any motion of this block. If this block is pulled in the downward direction and flipped, then this block is moved up and down continuously. Up and down, or right or left. Right side motion, left side motion. Up and down or left and right. Motion of the body is called oscillatory motion. Instead of left and right, you can use the word to and fro. Left and right or to and fro. Up and down motion is called oscillatory motion. The motion of body up and down or to and fro is called oscillatory motion. This is the definition of oscillatory motion. Definition of circular motion is when one body revolves around the other. Definition of rotation motion is if the body is rotated or motion of the body about its axis. Suppose this is the body, this body is rotated about its axis. Axis is imaginary. If this type of motion is called rotational motion about its axis. Oscillatory motion up and down or to and fro. This type of motion is called oscillatory motion. Next is number 4, projectile motion. When the body gives the initial velocity. Best example of projectile motion is to consider the stone and throw by giving the velocity of projection, starting velocity. Not just like the velocity continuously. If at a one instant of time gives the velocity and then the body performs the motion, that type of motion is called projectile motion. Best example of projectile motion is that take the stone and gives the initial velocity. The motion performed by the stone is, we can say that, the projectile motion. Random motion. Random motions, consider the number of butterflies enclosed in the box. When the box is open, the butterflies are randomly moving in all possible directions with different velocity and different direction. Then that motion is called random motion. Another example is that consider the cylinder containing gas. If the gas is enclosed in that cylinder, that means gas molecules are enclosed. गॅस सिलेंडरमध्ये गॅस आहे म्हणजे गॅसचे मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत आणि गॅसचे मॉलिक्युल्स हॅव डिफरंट व्हेलॉसिटी आणि डिफरंट डायरेक्शन मूव्ह करतात इन ऑल पॉसिबल डायरेक्शन and in all possible velocity, and that type of motion is called random motion.